Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add comments on someone Instagram stories. So there is a new update. You can reply not only you can reply someone Instagram story, but you can add comment. You can leave a comment. So let's start by tap on one of my friends stories. Here there is a comment icon and you can add a comment. Tap it and now comment posted here at the bottom of this story of your friend's stories. And also everyone when look at these stories, or everyone can see your comment on your friend's stories here. As you can see, there is my comment pop up in the corner. So this is how you can leave your comment. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.